Hi friends, welcome to KMET GATE Education. First question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, let's see the first question. The pole zero configuration of a phase lead compensator is a given by. Phase lead compensator is a given by. So நம்ம கிட்ட என்னென்ன compensators இருக்கும் பார்ப்போம். So lead compensator, lag compensator, lead lag compensator, lag lead compensator. Okay, so these are the compensator we have. So நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா, first of all lead compensator is a high pass filter. It is a high pass filter. Lag compensator is a low pass filter. So if you see the response, it going high value, okay, going positive and going like this. You have low pass filter going to 0. Okay, so this is a low pass filter. The response you like நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா the response இப்படி இருக்கும். Sir எப்படி சார் remember பண்றது? How to remember பாத்தீங்கன்னா, how many letters are there in lead compensator? 1 2 3 4. How many letters in high pass filter? 1 2 3 4. So 4 letters high pass filter. This is 3 letters low pass filter. Okay, lead lag compensator, first of all high pass filter, then after low pass filter. What happens to lead lag? Band pass filter. First of all lead high pass and then go to low pass, mix them. Okay, அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா lag low pass filter. Low pass filter is something like this, and high pass filter, this is a band stop filter, band stop filter. Okay, so these are the filters. What is a lead filter, what is a lead compensator, what is a lag compensator, what is a lead lag compensator, what is a lag lead compensator. If at all one mark will come, நீங்க வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Okay, you have to answer this. Next, you can see here that it is a positive going, so angle is positive. I am giving for remembrance for state exams and PSUs. Okay, I am not we are not writing theory exam. Okay, so here angle is going downwards. You can see here the response is going downwards. Downward means angle negative. Here the response is going upwards, angle positive. High pass filter going up, angle is positive, and here angle is negative. Okay, angle is negative. So we have in control system, ninga pathina, in control system we have pole zeros in numerator and poles in denominator. Zeros gives the positive angle, poles if you comes to numerator it gives negative angle. Okay, if I come in one order, so zero gives the angle positive, poles also gives positive angle, but if it goes to the numerator it will gives negative angle. That means poles gives the negative angle. Okay, so ninga pathina, let's say s plus 1 by s plus 2. What is the angle for this? This is of angle tan inverse omega by 1. What is this angle? Tan inverse omega by 2. If I go to numerator, angle tan inverse omega minus angle tan inverse omega 2. You understand that? So the pole gives negative angle when the denominator angle gives the numerator angle. Okay, so that means indirectly poles gives, if I take the 0 as a reference for poles also, then poles gives a negative angle. Okay va, if a 0 reference vacha only ella numerator la kondu pon, denominator pura I am sending denominator to numerator, then the poles gives negative angle, zeros gives the positive angle. Okay, so now you tell angle positive means 0, angle negative means pole, For high pass filter, angle is positive. Angle is positive means 0 is nearer to the origin, then after you have a pole. This is a lead compensator. For lag compensator, angle is going negative, response is going downwards, angle is going negative. Angle is negative means pole will come into picture, so pole is nearer to the imaginary axis. This is sigma j omega axis, pole is near to the imaginary axis. Okay, so this is a lag compensator. Next come to lead compensator. Lead lag compensator. Lead is how much? High pass filter. High pass filter means angle positive. Angle positive means 0 will come into picture here, and pole here. Adukapram pathina lag is going downwards, angle is negative pole, and you have a 0 here. This is a lead lag compensator. Next, lag lead. First lag means angle going negative. Angle negative means it will be pole and it will be 0. Again you have 0 and pole lag. Hope you understand. So first of all, what is the question given? Lead compensator. Lead compensator is a high pass filter. High pass filter goes going upwards, angle positive. Angle positive means 0 will come to the nearer to the imaginary axis. This will be the answer. This is a lead compensator. Pole is nearer, angle is negative. Angle is negative means option A is a lag compensator. Okay, lag compensator. Last one is a all pass filter. Right. So this is a non-minimum phase system. Right. Next question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, a differentiator has a transfer function whose phase differentiator y of t equal to d by dt of x of t. This is a differential function. Differentiator. Apply Laplace transform y of s that equal to s into x of s. Okay, so what is the transfer function? Y of s by s. This is a differentiated transfer function. So what is magnitude? Y of s. What is y of s by x of s? J omega. What is magnitude? Y of s by x of s? It is omega. What is phase angle? Phase angle equal to minus 90 degrees. So if omega equal to 0, I varies, magnitude is increased. This is magnitude omega. I increase in the omega, what happens to magnitude? Magnitude is increasing linearly. What happens to phase? Phase is this is, if I take 0, this is minus 90 degrees. This is constant. Okay, so amplitude increase linearly with frequency. Option C is the answer. Next question. So next question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, the maximum phase lead of the compensator கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Let's see here. Standard transfer function model of the leader lag compensator is 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s. This is the standard transfer function model of the compensator. 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s. Okay, see here, 1 plus time constant into s by 1 plus alpha into time constant s. If alpha less than 1, it is a lead compensator. If alpha greater than 1, it is a lag compensator. Okay, alpha less than 1, it is a lead compensator. Alpha lag greater than 1, it is a lag compensator. The frequency at which maximum phase lag or phase lead occurs is 1 by time constant into root alpha. Sorry, the frequency next பாத்தீங்கன்னா, the frequency at which maximum phase lag or phase lead the frequency at which maximum phase lag or phase lead occurs, the frequency at which maximum phase lag or phase lead occurs is 1 by time constant into root alpha. Okay, next you can see here, the angle at which maximum phase angle or phase lead occurs, the angle at which phase lag occurs is sine inverse of 1 minus alpha by 1 plus lag occurs, lead occurs at sin inverse of alpha minus 1 by alpha plus 1. Okay, so இது மட்டும் நான் வச்சுக்கிட்ட போதும். leading lag compensator is very easy. Okay, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா let's check, this is a lead or lag compensator. 1 plus 0.5s 1 plus 0.05s. Compare with standard transfer function. 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s. Tau is 0.5, alpha tau is 0.05. So alpha equal to 0.05 by 0.5, 5 by 100 by 5 by 10, 1 by 10, that equal to 0.1, that is alpha less than 1. Satisfied, it is a lead compensator. Lead compensator. Okay, the frequency at which maximum, inga parunga, frequency omega radians per second, 1 by time constant root alpha. What is 1 by time constant? 0.5. What is alpha? Alpha equal to 0.1. Alpha equal to 0.1. Okay, so root of 10 by 5 root 10, that equal to root 10 by 5. Okay, 1 by time constant, inga paatha time constant equal to 0.5, alpha tau equal to 0.05, tau equal to alpha equal to 0.05 by 0.5, 5 cancel, correct dane? 10 by 100, 1 by 10, 0.1, 10 by 1 by maximum frequency, 1 by time constant root alpha. 1 by time constant developer, time constant on the 0.5, root alpha on the 0.1, 10 by 5 root 10, so 2 root 10. I am not getting answer, so none of the answer is correct. Check it this. So none of the answer is correct. Okay, so for lead, so here ஒரு adjustment பண்ணிக்கங்க. 5 max of lead compensator பாத்தீங்கன்னா sin inverse of 1 minus lag பாத்தீங்கன்னா sin inverse reverse போட்டேன். ஓகேவா, 5 max lead equal to sin inverse of 1 minus alpha by 1 plus alpha. 5 max lag equal to sin inverse of alpha minus 1 by alpha plus 1. Okay, answer is right. So option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Ange varalaya, now 10 root 2 by 2 root 10 varudhu. Okay, so ange answer paathukalam. So next question pathina, a lead compensator used for a loop controller such that lead compensator கேட்டிருக்காங்க. we know very that, so நீங்க ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்ம் என்ன, 1 plus tau s, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s ஃபார்ம்ல கொண்டு வாங்க. so k into 1 plus, நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா k into tau equal to 1 by a, alpha tau equal to 1 by b. So he gave given lead compensator alpha less than 1. So alpha into 1 by a equal to 1 by b, alpha equal to a by b, alpha less than 1, a by b less than 1, a less than b is the lead compensator. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. So let's see the next question. Transfer function of or function compensator kuduthirukkaga. If it is a lead compensator, what is the value of a and b? Okay, so what I said that standard form is 1 plus tau s by 1 plus alpha tau s. Write on that form 1 plus s by a divided by 1 plus s by b. You have a in this common and you have b in this common. Okay, so tau is 1 by a, alpha tau is 1 by b. Okay, and you can see here alpha 1 by a equal to 1 by b, alpha in equal to a by b, it should be a lead compensator, a by b less than 1, a less than b. So a is 1, b is 2, it is correct answer. A greater than 3, it is wrong answer. A minus 3, a vandu a is less than b, a is this is not option. So this can be a equal to minus 3, a less than b, a less than b, this will not come into picture. Okay, you take let take a equal to minus 3. So minus 3 is minus 1 greater than minus 3, you should be a less than b. Okay, it will be satisfies. Okay, ninge satisfies. Okay, vainga. Okay va. So further paranga, a into 1 plus s by a, b into 1 plus s by b, tau vandu 1 by a, alpha tau vandu 1 by b, alpha vandu a by b, for lead compensator a less than b. Okay, right. So idu kuda a less than b. Okay, right. So okay, indha rendu vainga, indha rendu eduthrunga, indha rendu thookiringa. Okay va. So the phase of which lead compensator is maximum is 1 by time constant root alpha, 1 by time constant root alpha. So இப்போ நீங்க இதுல சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுங்க, the transfer function remains same பாருங்க, உங்களுக்கு அந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்முலா வரணும். So just wait. So உங்களுக்கு டவுட் வந்துச்சுல, so இங்க -3 -1 கோட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, let substitute this 1 plus a s plus 1 by s plus 2. Okay, so நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 plus s 2 into 1 plus s by 2, tau equal to 1, alpha tau equal to 1 by 2, alpha equal to 1 by 2. Okay, the frequency is 1 by time constant root alpha, 1 by root 1 by 2 root 2. So omega equal to root 2 radians per second, it satisfies. Okay, option A satisfies. Let's check for this s minus 3 by s minus 1. Okay, so it is not in the standard transfer function model, you can neglect this, but we try this. Okay, so 3 into minus 3 into okay minus 3 into s by 3 minus 1 minus 1 plus s minus 1 plus s. If you take common, minus 3 minus 1 minus s by 3, 1 minus s. Okay, right. So tau is minus 1 by 3, alpha tau is minus 1, alpha equal to you get 3, 1 by time constant 1 by 3 root alpha 3 minus 1, it does not satisfy. Okay, so option is standard transfer function pathale podum, you have to get this standard model. Okay, option is option A and this. Okay, so hope you understand the lag and lead compensator problems. Thank you. So pudichirundha unga friends ku share பண்ணுங்க.